Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and these are shoe booties from HUADYMEET. They have come in handy so much when we have people coming in and out of the house with dirty shoes to keep the floors clean. They come rolled up so that it's easy to organize. There's a few inside of each roll. It comes with 50 pairs. The plastic material is nice and sturdy. They don't rip very easily. And I like that they're completely plastic because it means that they're waterproof. Nothing is going to seep through. It has a big enough opening to fit even a large man shoe very comfortably, and it won't break when you put them on. And it just helps to keep the floors clean when people with dirty shoes need to come inside your house. So if you're trying to keep your floors clean when workers are coming in and out of your house, or for whatever your circumstances might be, definitely check out these booties. They're very versatile. They are really good quality. You're gonna love them, and that's my point of view.